Hi lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy blueberry yogurt muffins. It is amazing and so perfect to review on while walking around the park or even picnic. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add sugar, eggs, salt, vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer on medium-high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until pale and creamy. Add the vegetable oil and vanilla yogurt. This is the secret to get this muffin extra moist and fluffy on the inside. Mix on low-medium speed just until the liquid comes together. Sift all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and baking soda. Then gently fold in until well combined and there are no lumps. Add the almond flour to the mixture and combine using a spatula. Add some fresh blueberry, then very gently fold in and make sure you don't destroy them. Here I am using a large ice cream scoop to scoop even amounts in the prepared pan. Sprinkle with some chopped almond over the muffins. Bake them in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And once baked, let the muffins cool completely onto a cooling rack, then sprinkle with some powdered sugar as desired. I love these muffins so much. As a quick breakfast or snack on the run, they are just perfect. So make sure you give it a try and leave a comment how do you think of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the recipe, check out the link below over my website LoveThatBite.com. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!